Warren Buffett pays a lower tax rate than his own secretary. Donald Trump publicly bragged about paying zero. And Robert Kiyosaki openly admits he pays almost nothing. None of them are breaking the law. Meanwhile, every single month, taxes disappear from your paycheck before you even touch it. You are playing by one set of rules. They are playing by a completely different set, and nobody told you the other set existed. Here is the distinction that changes everything. There are two ways to pay less in taxes. One gets you arrested. One makes you rich. Tax evasion. Illegal. You lie to the government. You hide money. You fake expenses. This is what gets people handcuffed on the news. Tax avoidance. Completely legal. You use the rules exactly as written. Just smarter than everyone else. The wealthy are not cheating the system. They learn to read it differently. And today, I am showing you exactly how. First, let us talk about the illegal side. The 3 ways people get arrested. Number 1, underreporting income. Bob sells a house for $700,000. Tax rate is 10%. He owes $70,000. Instead, he and the buyer secretly agree to report the sale as $500,000. They pay $50,000 in taxes, save $20,000, and commit a federal crime. The IRS does not forgive this. Number 2, hiding assets offshore. Historically, Switzerland was the favorite hiding spot. Strict bank secrecy, zero reporting. Rich Americans hiding billions offshore. Until international agreements force Swiss banks to report directly to the IRS. Hide money there today. You are not clever. You are a federal target. Number 3, false deductions. Sarah owns a restaurant earning $100,000. She spends $3,000 on renovations but claims $30,000 to reduce her taxable income. She saves on taxes short term and risks prison long term. Not worth it. Now, the legal side. Pay close attention, because this is where it gets interesting. Strategy 1, controlled foreign corporations. Apple avoided $44 billion in taxes in just 3 years. How? They set up shell companies in Ireland. No employees, no offices, just a legal entity in a country with near zero corporate tax. Ireland taxes based on where management is controlled. America taxes based on where the company is incorporated. Apple legally existed in both gaps simultaneously. $44 billion. Completely legal. Strategy 2, transfer pricing. A shoe company earns $1 million in America. Normal corporate tax, $350,000 gone. Instead, they set up a subsidiary in the Cayman Islands. 0% tax. They pay $800,000 to their own Cayman subsidiary for using their own patents. Only $200,000 remains taxable in America. Tax bill drops from $350,000 to just $70,000. They saved $280,000. Legally. Strategy 3, the Warren Buffett dividend strategy. Why does Buffett pay less than his secretary? Simple. He does not earn a salary. His income comes from dividends and long-term capital gains, a $100,000 salary, taxed at 22 to 24%. $100,000 in qualified dividends, taxed at just 15%. Same amount. Completely different tax treatment. The system was designed to reward investors over employees. Buffett simply understood this earlier than everyone else. And one critical distinction nobody explains. Do not confuse tax avoidance with tax deferral. Your 401k, that is deferral. You are not eliminating the tax. You are delaying it. Real tax avoidance permanently reduces what you owe. Know which one you are using, because the difference is worth thousands of dollars every single year. Here is the bottom line. The tax code has 2 doors. One for people who earn money. One for people who understand money. The wealthy did not build a different system. They just learned to read the existing one at a deeper level. You now know the difference between tax evasion and tax avoidance. You know how Apple saved $44 billion. You know why Buffett pays less than his secretary. And you know the 3 strategies available to anyone willing to learn. This is Mason Finance YT. If this video finally made the tax system make sense, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps us reach more people who need to understand this. Comment below. Which strategy surprised you the most? The Apple loophole? The dividend trick? Let us talk about it. And subscribe to Mason Finance YT, because every single week we break down the financial rules nobody taught you in school, the rules that separate the people who build wealth from the people who just work for it. See you in the next one.